Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain you which one is better between SOFTR and Bubble. So as you can see here I have a list with different features. So we're going to start with ease of use. SOFTR, very easy block-based builder. Bubble, steeper learning curve, full app logic control. Best for, so SOFTR for simple web apps, client portals, internal tools. Bubble for complex, fully customized web apps. Data sources on SOFTR we have Airtable, Google Sheets, Smart Suite, and Bubble built-in database. Then we have here other features like customization, performance, and pricing. But overall here, so as you can see, choose SOFTR if you want a quick, simple way to build portals or sites powered by Airtable Sheets, minimal setup and easy learning curve, built-in components that just work. Choose Bubble if you need full control over logic, workflows, and app complexity. A scalable custom app, a developer-friendly no-code alternative to traditional coding. So basically that's it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching.